Hi, good morning everyone. This is Sandeep Kulkarni from Akshay Money Works for you. We are living in interesting times where market has been in sideways or very treacherous period for last 18, 19 months, and a lot of our clients have this question about what will happen in the market next and when it will start to go up. So I want to share some insights looking at the history. I want to share some insights. I'll start with a quote by Mr. John Templeton, which goes like this. Bull markets are born on pessimism, they grow on skepticism, they mature on optimism, and then die on euphoria. What does this mean? Like most of the bull market starts when the current news flow is extremely negative and there's extreme fear. You look at things like COVID, which happened in 2020. Then in 2022, if you look at the situation, there was Russia-Ukraine war, which was brewing. There was hyperinflation because of very high oil prices and commodity prices, and the interest rates had gone up very sharply. Fed was raising rates by 75 basis points in every meeting. So that was the situation, and everybody had become macroeconomists. If you go back in 2010 years back in 2016, that time there was this talk about currency war. There was a issue at banks, NPA crisis, and all of that. So in that kind of a situation, market bottomed out and it started to go up. And now the second phase is that is the most important part, which is market grows on skepticism. What does it mean is that market goes up before the positive news actually starts to play out, or before the real turnaround actually happens. Market moves up in anticipation, just like market falls in anticipation much before the actual news comes through. It goes up much before the actual turnaround in things actually happen. So usually what happens is once the market bottoms out, the first move out of the bottom is very sharp, and it is almost relentless. Market continuously keeps on going up, and it does not give you an opportunity to get back in the market. People just keep waiting for a correction, and that correction just does not come through. So I'll share some past examples. Okay, about small cap and Nifty index. Small cap index in after 2016 bottom, it went up 57% in like 4 months or so without any significant correction. After 2020 bottom, it went up 83% in like 5, 6, 7 months without any significant correction. Similarly, after 2023 bottom, it went up about 48% in 6 months time without any significant. Like when I talk about significant, I am talking about even not you don't get even a 3, 4, 5% kind of a correction in the market. It goes up. That's what I say. Mean when I say ki it's a relentless move. Similarly, if you look at the what happened in Nifty after 2016, the markets went up 29% in about 4 to 5 months. Then in 2020, Nifty went up 51% in 7, 8 months time, and after 2022, it went up 22% in just 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks time. So that is the kind of relentless move which we get, and that is the context we need to have when we look at the current market situation. In this kind of situation, the skepticism phase, I think we have to board the running train. If you think we're going to let's wait for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day when market goes down and then we'll invest, it does not happen. Market will climb the wall of worry, and the news flow will come with a lag. Positive news flow will come with a lag. The situations will get resolved slowly, but market will go up in anticipation of that, and that is the thing that we have to keep in mind. We have to invest aggressively. This is a very good opportunity. Typically, I think I had shared this data a couple of days back that almost half of the stocks are down, at least 40%. This I am talking about Nifty 500. At least half the stocks are down, minimum 40% from their 3-year high levels. When the markets bottom out with this kind of breadth, no, the bull market is also quite significant, and they go up significantly. There's a sector rotation every 1 or 2 months. New sector comes, and there's a sector rotation continuously happens. So maybe there some 1 month there'll be chemical companies which do well. Then next month pharma companies will do well. Then IT companies will do well. Then banks and NBFCs will do well. Then some other sector, defense or something like that, will come. So one after another sectors, the leadership will change, and because there's this sector rotation continuously happen, the market does not correct. So that is the context we need to have at this point of time. We are in a very good times in my opinion. Next 2-3 years will be quite good for the markets. And when we look back on this opportunity after 2 years or 3 years, we will understand what a big opportunity this was. I think this is in the leagues of maybe 2017 18 kind of a 18-19 kind of a bear market, or that kind of a bear market. It is a very attractive opportunity in my opinion. So we should make good use of this. This is a good time to invest aggressively and go lump sum, not bother too much about where the market is going to stop and those kind of things. Don't look at the news. As I said, news flow will come with a lag. Market has overreacted to the Iran war, and it will correct itself. It will correct the overreaction in the next couple of days time. So that is the message I wanted to leave you with. Happy investing. I hope you found this insight useful, and I hope you act, you find the courage to act on this insight that I shared with you. Thank you and have a good day.